Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear your Microsoft Teams chat history permanently. Now, while Teams doesn't let you erase an entire conversation at once, I'll guide you through the foolproof way to delete individual messages and keep your chats neat and organized. Stick around until the end because I'll also cover some important limitations you need to know. Accessing Microsoft Teams. First, sign in to Microsoft Teams using either the desktop app or the web version. Make sure you're using the correct work account and tenant ID if your organization has multiple accounts. Once you're logged in, you're ready to dive into your chat history. Locating chats next, click on the Chat tab on the left-hand side of your Teams interface. Here you'll see all your recent conversations. Find the specific chat that contains the messages you want to delete. Deleting individual messages. Now comes the important part. Hover over the message you want to remove. You'll see a 3-dot more options icon appear next to it. Click on it and select Delete. That's it. Your message is now permanently removed from that chat. But remember, this action is irreversible, so make sure you really want to delete the message before confirming. Understanding the limitations. It's important to note that Microsoft Teams does not allow bulk deletion of entire chats. You can only remove individual messages one by one. This limitation is in place to maintain data integrity and accountability within Teams, especially in professional settings. So while you can't wipe your chat history completely, this method is perfect for decluttering conversations and keeping your Teams space organized. And that's how you permanently clear messages in Microsoft Teams. Simple, effective, and a great way to keep your chats clean. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.